So I said that quantitative revolution, that is in a diffusion of statistical technique. What is the first point I am talking about? Mean, median, mode, variance, covariance, anything that we are trying to see, statistical technique to vary. What is in a diffusion? Diffusion, what is the meaning of diffusion? I said that, what is the meaning of diffusion? Diffusion in the field of interdisciplinary subjects. Diffusion का मतलब क्या है? Yes, cultural diffusion. When the Chinese, Fayan, Huizang and all that, they come and then therefore the Buddhism diffused to the other region. Can I say that it is in a transfer or migration of quality? Yes or not? Buddhism religion has been what? Diffused to which? Southeast Asia, Eastern Asia? Cultural diffusion. And here it is talking about which diffusion? Diffusion of statistical techniques. So in the field of geography हम लोग क्या diffuse करेंगे? Yes, statistics, maths. Understood? In the field of polity, we'll have to what is in a diffuse? In the field of economics, we have to diffuse statistics into interdisciplinary subjects and all. That is, I said that. And I said that based on empirical observation. It is based on which? Experiments. Primary data. When you are engineer and you are doing some kind of practical and from there you got the data, you are an what geographer, you are an what is, and I said that researcher in any field, where data you got the data, field study and then primary data you got. Yes or not? It means experimental, that whatever it is based on experimental means empirical evidence is very much important. Empirical evidence in the quantitative techniques, in the quantitative revolution is very much important. And I said that we have to use primary data, but at times we can use पहले के डाटा में तो हम लोग जा नहीं सकते थे, वहां के पहले के डाटा को हम लोग कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे साइंटिफिक. So we have to use also what? Secondary data, which is not has been done by the field study and all. So it is also using the primary data as well as and to make. आज भी आप पढ़ते हो ना कि आज के डेट में if the government is taking plan for in their 5-year plan, then how do the agriculture? Then when you are studying in the 1950s में क्या था, 1960s, और उसको आप पढ़ने के बाद आप क्या करते? What you do? एक चार्ट बनाया, अच्छा this is the growth, फिर now the what is the growth of I said that pulses has been down, but and thereafter there is a rice and what is in a wheat. Then again समझ में आता है 1970, it is in a period of what? Agricultural revolution, and that is in a green revolution. So old data को भी study करते हुए आप आते हो. Yes or not? So I have to use I said that secondary data which is not has been presently during the theory it has been made. We are using the data of someone other agency. Using the data from the other agency, it is known as secondary data. So what I said that what is quantitative revolution? It is a what? Diffusion of statistical technique in the field of geography. Different subjects may be aa raha hai, but I am talking about in the field of geography. And thereafter I said that it is based on which observation? Experimental, empirical observation. Understood? And whatever the primary data and we are getting from that reason, and also we are using secondary data. And this is in a completely mathematical language. Which language? I said that one of the portion was Stewart, who has given the mathematical empirical rule, and then on the basis of law of gravitation, and I said that he said Ij is equals to K Pi Pj upon di dj, sorry, dij whole square is to what? He is using the mathematical empirical rule, and what he is talking about? I said that pi means population of which region? I region. pj means population of j region, and dij means distance between I and j. Distance between, yes, distance between, I said that I and j, and Ij is talking about interaction between population of I and population of j. Yes, interaction between population of I and population of j, Ij. So ये किसके में ये कौन सा मेथड यूटिलाइज कर रहा है? Which method it is utilizing? You know that the gravitation F equals to what? m1 m2 upon r square, and g as a gravitational constant, and it has been said that this is in a one population, this is in a one population, pi, here it is, I said that pi pj, and it is saying that कि इनके बीच में कितना interaction है, it depends upon what? If the lesser the distance, more the interaction. यहाँ पे क्या दिख रहा है? Distance is square. Yes or not? Interaction between the people will be more when the distance between the two populated region will be less, then it will be more. तो ये automatically inversely proportional है. Understood? So यहाँ पे क्या दिख रहा है? More interaction. And here comparatively less interaction. Yes, here it is, I said that less interaction. So who has given? We have been, again I said that we are using, which one I said that? Use of mathematical language in the field of what? Geography. Use of mathematical language. Use of mathematical language in the field of economics. लेकिन अभी हम लोग क्या देख रहे हैं? It is geography. Understood? Another person who came, shall I remove this? Another person came, he also talked about Mr. Wunsch. He see that this so suppose I said that this is Mumbai, sorry, this is Delhi, and then I am talking about, here it is, this is Delhi, and then here I am talking about Ghaziabad, and here I am talking about Meerut. Yes. So this is in a one populated city, another populated city, another populated city, three city I am talking about. And then who has the largest population? Delhi has the largest population. Yes. So I said that what is the potential? I said that potential of population at Meerut, M for Meerut, is, I said that depending upon the population of, I said that Delhi, and I said that distance between Delhi and Meerut. Yes or no? If the city which is nearer to Delhi, they will have a chance of more population. Potential of population will be more. Yes or not? Ghaziabad का population ज़्यादा है या Meerut population is more? Ghaziabad. Yes or not? So if the distance between Delhi and Meerut means the distance between two cities is less, then the potential of population बोला नहीं जा रहा, potential of population. So what is the meaning of VJ? Potential of population. Potential of, yes tell me, potential of population at J पे कितना population हो सकता है? VJ means potential of population at J and PI means population at I पे कितना population है दिल्ली में? Getting my point? And then another I said that DIJ, it is in a distance between I and J, two regions. ये क्या दिख रहा है? Again what we are watching? Mathematical language in the field of geography, in the social science. Yes or not? So this is the way. लेकिन यहाँ पर कहीं भी हम ये नहीं बात कर रहे हैं कि वहां पर क्या फैसिलिटीज है. Why do the population at Meerut? Why do the population in Ghaziabad? अच्छा Ghaziabad तो चलो it is nearby this cities and growing on the basis of why? You know that suburb, twin city. So the population is transferring. Yes or not? So the population of this region is going to be reduced and coming out. लेकिन Meerut why it is Meerut? तो यहाँ पे ह्यूमन वैल्यूज को नहीं दिया गया, वहां पे अदर humanity, human aspects, social, economical, other aspects has not been considered. किया गया? नहीं. ये इसका क्या है? Drawbacks है. What is this? अच्छा वहां पे agricultural soil is very much fertile. Yes, that is also possibility of some minerals can be there. The population is increasing. I said that some industries are there. So he has इसमें क्या दिख रहा है? In this one you are finding out nothing has been utilized, the human values, their ethical values and then aesthetic values. Huh? If I go into Jammu and especially वहां पे the population बहुत कम होना चाहिए था ना? But the Jammu is growing on the different kind of reasons. One reason I said that it become one of the religious center. Yes or not? Functionality is what? Religious based population is nearby, that population is growing, and tourism industry. So we are aesthetic, ethical and other human values को हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? Completely neglecting, ignoring it in this quantitative revolution. Getting my point? Yes or no? Yes. Now shall I remove this? Another one is I said that यही पिक्चर बना देना आप इस तरीके से. Miss large graph means high population, then it will be looking like good, and then one map of India, understood, and where they are located. Means there is in a Delhi and then there is in a Meerut and then just located. देखो examiner कितना happy होता है. So I said that. Another point I said, Mr. Gibbs, and he has given then what is the name? Principle of least effort. Principle of least effort. And then he said that frequency is inversely proportional to the rank. Frequency is inversely proportional to rank, and then frequency is equals to k into 1 upon r. What did it become? Frequency will become equals to k into 1 upon r, and then r will multiply and it will become what? F into r equals to what? K. Is it okay? Suppose I said that first rank city is a 10 lakh population. How much population? First rank city What is the population? 10 lakh. First R means rank. So I said that first rank city has how much population? Frequency. Frequency means population. Frequency means number of variables. Yes or not? पढ़ा होगा ना आपने? अरे स्टैटिस्टिक्स पढ़े है ना? वेरी गुड, लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई. 10 to 20 एज में 10 to 20 मार्क्स में लाने वाले कितने स्टूडेंट हैं? इट इज एन इंटरवल. याद है ना? याद है ना? हाउ मेनी पीपल? 30. एंड देयर आफ्टर 20 to 30 में कितने लाने वाले स्टूडेंट है? इसको किस क्या बोलते थे? फ्रीक्वेंसी. यस. सो आई सेड दैट द फ्रीक्वेंसी इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू रैंक. सेकेंड रैंक, तो ये टोटल के वैल्यू क्या हो गया? इफ आई सेड दैट व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ के, यहां पर हमने लिखा 10 लाख. तो एफ इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? 1 फर्स्ट रैंक 10 लाख. सेकेंड, इफ आई सेड दैट सेकेंड रैंक के लिए क्या होगा? एफ इंटू 2 and then f equals to what? 10 upon 2. It will become what? 5 lakh. The second rank city with population should be what? 5 lakh. Third rank population city will be what? समझ में आ रहा है? Yes? 10 upon? Yes or not? This is known as what? In a market, if you are going to in a market and वहां पर हमने टोटल रैंक निकाला. सपोज आई वेंट टू